Stu and Hobby Lobby in Poplar Bluff, Missouri, checking out their tools. They have a nice wood burning kit, and they also have this versatile kit for $20. It's a wood burning kit, and it's also a soldering gun for $22. And they have this handheld drill kit right here with some very small drill bits that would be worth the money for putting holes in, such as putting the wires in the cuckoo clock doors. And for $10, that's a good buy. The rotary toolkit that I use a Dremel, but here's one that could be used for polishing your pivots on your clocks, on your cuckoo clocks, as I do. But one battery operated clock kit is $8, and I could buy 4 of them for $20. They're about $4 or $5 a piece off of eBay, so buying the package of 4 is a better deal. Again, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and God bless.